Okay, this is a 2012 Harley Ultra Limited FLH TK stock exhaust sound clip with the 103 motor, of course. Everything's stock. I wanted to do a sound clip on this before I changed it out. Changing it out to Vance & Hines Monster Ovals with the power duals, arness big sucker, and a Dyno Jet Power Vision tune on it. So my second video will be with that all installed, but I wanted to get a sound clip on the stock so that you can compare. So here it goes. We'll fire it up. Okay, that's it, and we'll do another one when I have the new exhaust on. Thank you very much for watching.